The Russian delegation of aircraft building companies will attend the Aero India 2023 to officially invite India to join the Su-75 fifth generation aircraft program that is expected to enter production in 2026. The Su-75 will carry a payload of 7.4 tons and will have 5 hidden weapon bays and 11 external weapon attachment points. It will be capable of flying at Mach 1.8 and will have an operating range of 3,000 kilometers and can be deployed from difficult high-altitude airfields and in any climatic conditions. The onboard systems, cockpit and certain other elements of the Su-75 have been derived from the Su-57 for reducing the cost and increasing the maintenance efficiency. Russia has not given up on its Su-57 fifth-generation aircraft and has integrated the new Saturn S-30 engine on 4 Su-57 fighter jets that were delivered to Russian Air Force in December 2022. That has increased its speed to Mach 2.5, and these 4 fighters also have received new Photon ASA radars with suppressors that can disable the electronics of enemy fighters. In collaboration with the Swedish firm Saab Group, a Bangalore-based firm, Data Patterns has jointly developed an airborne electronic warfare demo system, which the company will be displaying at the upcoming Aero India 2023. Data Pattern is also working on providing stealth capabilities for aircraft that will protect even against low-frequency radar systems. Data Patterns has claimed that it has developed techniques to increase the bandwidth of power levels so that low frequencies of 200 to 300 MHz radar systems can detect stealth fighter jets. India is considering 3 options for paying Russia for past weapon purchases, one of which is to initiate ruble payments in Chinese yuan and UAE's dirham. India has been unable to make payments to Russia since the beginning of February 2022 due to stringent sanctions imposed by the West. Russia has continued to supply spares and large-ticket military orders such as the S-400 system to India on credit, but Russia has informed that this cannot continue indefinitely because it might slow down deliveries of frigates and last 2 S-400 squadrons due to a backlog of previous payments. Russia has also suggested that India should buy a stake in Russian government-owned enterprises that can be liquidated in the future. HAL has been in talks with the Brazilian firm Embraer to manufacture the C-390 Millennium, but the latest request for information by the Indian Air Force makes it unsuitable, since it has an internal cargo capacity of 23 tons. HAL will likely present a scalable platform that can be developed in partnership with Embraer that will meet the 30-ton payload capability requirement of medium transport aircraft, and will also eventually replace the IL-76 when a bigger variant is developed at a later stage. According to media reports, the acquisition of 18 Predator-armed drones on a government-to-government basis will be put up before the Modi government at the Combined Commanders Conference at Karwar Naval Base in April. The National Technical Research Organization, which is a highly specialized technical intelligence gathering agency, will soon procure 8 Tapas medium-altitude long-endurance drones for border surveillance and reconnaissance. Godrej Aerospace has announced that it will invest 250 crore rupees to build a new defense facility in Maharashtra that will be spread over 300 acres, and this project is expected to be completed in 3 years. The company has also set aside 100 crore rupees for research and development in the next 2 years, as the company intends to design and build the components, instead of just building products on instructions.